Hi Mark, this is a short video to show you how you can update your own website. There are 3 programs you'll need in order to update your website. The first is called Composer. We downloaded this program when we spoke last on the phone. The second program is called FileZilla. FileZilla can be downloaded for free. Simply type FileZilla into Google. There's a download link right here, and a big green button to download that program. This program will allow you to upload images and files to your web server. And the third program you'll need is called Pixlr, P-I-X-L-R. Simply type that into Google. This program will allow you to edit images. Pixlr.com. Choose this open photo editor. And this program is like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, except allows you to, it's online and edit your own images for free. Alright, so let's go back to the first program, Composer. You'll need to find your shortcut in order to open this program on your computer, and double click it, choose Run. And this program is your editor that will allow you to edit your website. You may remember we entered your FTP information into Composer. That's why we see this right here. We can connect to your web server by clicking on that. If you do not have your FTP information or need to enter it, that information is right here. Your host address is this number. Your username is this, and this is your password. Over here you'll see folders and files for your website. This folder called Images has all of the files, image files for your website, JPEGs. These files, .html, are the pages of your website, and this is the home page for your website, index.html. Double click it to open it. And here you will see the home page of your website. In order to edit text for your website, simply insert your cursor and type text, or delete text as needed. When you're done editing your text, choose Publish. And you'll see this home page, index.html, was published. Let's toggle over to your browser and type in optsetthemfree.com, hit refresh, and you'll see your text would have been updated right here. Alright, let's toggle back to Composer. Let's say you want to change a link, like on this button. Click on the button, choose this link button here, and you can enter the page that you need that link to go to. Here are all the pages of your website. There's a page Testimonials, for example. Freereport.html is the page that has the free report download. You would type that page into this field and choose OK. That has now changed this button. I'm going to undo that change. If you would like to insert a new image into your web page, select the image that you wish to replace, hit delete on your keyboard, and select this image button. This button will allow you to choose the file, and then you will need to browse on your computer to the folder where you keep all of your image files for your website. I keep all of those files in a folder called Sites, Operation Get Free. Here's a folder called Images, and these are all the images from your website. I'm going to select this image to replace it with. I'm going to select this Don't Use Alternate Text. And I also need to remove this text, link. This is all non-important information. We have to remove this information so that the link looks like this. /images/ebook version 3. This is the new JPEG image. The reason why is we are pointing to this folder on your web server, the folder called images. And then we're referring to this image inside that folder. This is our new image. So when your location looks like this, that is good. Choose OK. You'll see my new image is there. And choose Publish. When we toggle over to your web browser, hit refresh. You'll see that the new image has been updated. But in order to get this new image up on your web server, we have to use the program FileZilla. After you've downloaded and installed the program FileZilla, start it here. And you will need to enter the information for your web server. We're going to choose New Site. I named we'll name this Offset Free 2. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the information where your web server. This is this number right here. This is the number, your host. Now we need to enter your username and password. Here is your username and your password. I'm copying and pasting that information in. Connect. Now you'll see on the left, these are the folders and files on your web server, and on the right, these are the folders and files on your own computer. We're going to browse to the folder called Images on your web server. Then we're going to browse to the folder called Images on your computer. And this is the file that is on my computer that needs to go uploaded to the web server. And replace. I have now uploaded this file, ebook version 3, JPEG, to your web server. When I go back to your browser and refresh your page, you'll see that the new image has been put there. To repeat this step one more time, let's go ahead and change this back to its original image. Let's go back to Composer, select the image, delete, Insert Image button, choose File, browse to the folder where we keep your images. Here's the file, open. Remove this unwanted link so that it reads like this, OK. Don't use alternate text. Looks good, and we're going to publish. Next we go to FileZilla. We're going to browse to our images folder on the web server, browse to our images folder on our computer, and drag that file over. Replace. Toggle to our web browser, hit refresh. You'll see that that image has been updated. So we've covered how to update text. That's done in Composer. We talked about how to update a link. That's done in Composer as well. And how to update an image. We talked about FileZilla, how that is a program, an FTP program to upload files to your web server. The third program is called Pixlr, and that's to create or edit images. So pixlr.com, open photo editor. You can open images, browse, edit those images, save them. We'll give this a new name. I'm going to save it here in this folder where I keep all of my images. This is the new name. And that then now we have new images so that we can update our website with new images. Alright, those are the three basic functions for updating your website. If you need to open new pages, for example the free report page, simply double click that. You'll see that I've opened that free report page, and you can edit the links, the text, and the images. Alright, I hope that helps, Mark, and thanks.